Hi, I'm Jeff O'Mara, and I'd like to share with you a breath practice that I like to call cultivation of a complete breath. Now, when we took a look at practicing the detached observation of the breath, we found we could fairly easily become familiar with our current state of being, meaning, how does my body feel? How does my mind feel? Now, this establishes a mindfulness in our practice, which is a gentle effort of paying attention, a gentle discipline of just remaining aware of our present moment experience. With this awareness, we can skillfully cultivate the complete breath. And it's this breath, this complete breath, that is critical to our own well-being for two reasons. First is it's just nourishing. It's giving the body exactly what it needs. The body needs this oxygen, we take that into the body, we need a nice full inhale for that. And then we have a nice long uninterrupted exhale to release the carbon dioxide that the body doesn't need. Okay? Energetically, this complete breath provides the body with the vital life force energy that we call prana, and hence the term pranayama that we use for these breathing exercises. Now, the other reason is that it's a key to our mental well-being, okay? Releasing negative states of body and mind, okay? Stress, anxiety, fear, anger, addiction, trauma. These all take root in the body and the mind, and we can use our breath as an antidote, okay? Resetting our body and mind to a state of ease, okay? Relaxing ourselves back into a peaceful mental state. Now, scientific research shows us why. By cultivating a complete breath, we speak directly to our nervous system, okay, and we signal it to relax. We have two sides to our nervous system. We've got the sympathetic nervous system, which is the fight or flight, like hyper alert activity in the body. And then on the other side, we have the parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, this is the rest and digest side. Okay, the easing of the body and the mind, which allows us space and time for self-care. Okay, we take shorter, shallower, quicker breaths high up in the chest, and we fire up the sympathetic nervous system, hyper alert, anxious, stressed, constantly worried and thinking. Okay, on the other hand, if we take complete, deep, slow breaths full into the body, we drop into the parasympathetic nervous system, giving ourselves a chance to relax and to ease, directly related to the breath. Okay, the more time we spend on the parasympathetic side, the more the mind can still clarifying and relaxing our negative thinking, supporting the release of stress, anxiety, tension in the physical body, and balancing our emotions. Okay, let's find out for ourselves. From your seated position, okay, nice and relaxed, comfortable, nice tall spine, gently closing the eyes or dropping the gaze down and just relaxing the focus. Okay, starting with just that detached observation of the breath. Feel the breath. Just watch it for a few rounds. See what you find. Great. And now from here, focusing on the inhale. See if you can take an inhale that's as deep as is comfortable for you. Pull it down into your body. See how low you can bring that inhale. Feel the expansion of the inhale in the body. See if you can smooth that out a little bit. Okay. Next, take a look at your exhale. And this might be the most important part. When you exhale, just feel your body let go. Feel that relaxation that just releases the breath. And then just make sure that you give enough space and time for that exhale to complete itself. Follow that breath all the way out. Just watch it, feel it diminish and taper until there's nothing left. Okay? And then at the end of that exhale, if you find a little pause, if you find a little stillness, just let yourself rest in that pause for however long it lasts. and you just listen to the body. When the body suggests you take another inhale, you just follow that, and you start into that next full inhale. And the cycle just goes around and around. Okay? See how your breath feels. See if you can sit here and find those sides of the complete breath. Inhale that feels nice and expansive. No rush to it. Exhale that is an easing release of the breath. Follow that breath all the way out. Okay, see if you can take 2 or 3 more breaths just like that. All right, perfect. If your eyes are closed, you can gently blink the eyes back open. Become aware of the space around you. Reflect for a moment. See how that made you feel. See how your body feels. See how your mind feels. Okay, the fullness of the breath, particularly this complete exhale, is your secret weapon to bring ease to your body and mind at any time. Okay? Use it well and often.